Okay, off again. This time, gonna go get some fuel at Costco, Boolaroo. See what we see on the way. Along the way as well and see if there's a difference. So after I've got the fuel, I'm going to go to Lake Macquarie and get the drone out. Get little Molly out. She hasn't been flown for a while. Get some footage of Lake Macquarie. Let's see what we can do. $247, 273.9. What's that for? Super Premium 98. Alright. 273.9. So 274. Now let's check Costco's price. It's a premium unleaded 98, $2.68.7, a little bit cheaper. Around 5 cents cheaper. Here will do. Alright, let's get some fuel. Let's go check out Lake Macquarie. Good Lake Macquarie up ahead. Look at all the yachts over there. find a spot to get Molly out. The water looks beautiful. Tight roundabout. This one here will be alright. Alright.
Beneath the dawn's golden embrace, I set my spirit free, find my place. The pavement hums beneath our wheels, chasing dreams, it's all that feels. Endless horizons call our name, new castles beauty, a wild game. Identity biker, other seekers with hearts on fire, weaving tales that never tire. Each mile a treasure carved in time, identity bikers, heart and rhythm and rhyme, with the hunter's whisper and road so grand. This iron steed is where we stand. Freedom swirls beneath our feet, in the wind we discover our beat. Identity bikers, hearts on fire, stories of the road that lift us higher. Reflection shimmer in the sun's warm glow. Ride with passion.
Alright, gonna head home. Don't have much battery life on the camera. I'm gonna plug it in and see if it will charge, but we'll see if it lasts and hopefully get some footage on the way home. I managed to charge the battery, so here's a little bit of footage. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. It helps our channel grow. Our channel's doing really well. We got over 11k subscribers, so join in the fun. We'll keep putting out some good content and would love to see you there. Bye for now from Identity Biker.